5.2% population is sometimes in their life, they have this not a balance between the physical and mental health. In such a scenario, definitely one should think about this health. And health is important in the sense that if you have the sound body, then only you have sound mind. If anything is wrong, the whole system is going to be the collapse. There is no answer for this. So, fitness is important. But now in this time of Corona, when everybody is locked down, you can manage your health, keep fit, is a bigger challenge, because if you are not going anywhere, you are accumulating the calorie but not burning it. You are taking your food habit has been changed. The intake is more and burning is less. So many people has gaining this weight. So that is the problem. And people ask what we should do. So there are many ways, because you have a health psychologist, you have this health and sports experts and professors. They have adopted many ways and means how to go about the health fitness. But definitely we need a certain kind of trained people. Because why it is necessary to discuss? Because if we don't know, and anyway, if you can start doing wrong in the name of exercise, in name of the fitness, then things may go wrong and you can develop some kind of the defects and the body will be ill. So these are the challenges, and these challenges should be explained by the expert. So that is the reason why I want, why I said that why it is important. The important in the sense that the expert are going to explain you what kind of the exercise, what of the tips are important. I have seen in the newspaper and other media that a lot of people are downloading the app. And once they downloaded the app, the 30% fitness app has been downloaded more during the COVID period. But simply downloading the app will not going to help you. It is not going to make you fit. So people are simply downloading and try to understand that yes, this app will help. Taking app will not going to help you, because this is the way why the live demo is important, that the sketching demo. Why the trained people are required for a particular job. That is a skill, and that we are
Hello, sir. Sir. So, जी. Maybe, sir, your net is weak, sir.
So I'm extremely sorry I lost in between.
Oh, no problem, sir. No problem. No, sir. Continue. Ji, continue, sir. No problem.
These are the extreme limitation of technology.
Yeah.
So any technology have these two ways. One is the dark side, another is the bright side. So sometimes you have to see the dark side also. Then I have seen many of my friends. I asked what you are doing. I am doing the weightlifting, and then I told how is your health? They told I am going to the orthopedics. For what? I have taken a wrong way to lift this, and then it has been developed hair fracture. Somebody is doing yoga in their own. But training is required. And if you people have the greater responsibility, those who are related to the physical fitness, means the physical education. So you have to educate. You are the only person who is not the physical education, because the majority of the surface, and then others are in the 80% theory, 20% practical. You are in this reverse, that it has the greater importance. So I wish in this definitely something will come out, and I expect that the expert will deliver that this way of living, what is the way of living in this corona, with the keeping this body and mind both fit. That will be required. It should be a lifestyle, because if you are not taking care in the primary stage, if the things have gone to the secondary and tertiary formation, then the starting, and once the original is very, very difficult. So this is the also health is like this. Once started yielding and then you are trying to protect, then to bring back is very, very difficult. In the earliest stage, you can bring back, you can keep the faith, and we have seen many people in the 80, 85 year age, they are participating of this elder people marathon and winning that. So looking through the holistic way, then we can say, yes, जान है तो जहान है, health is wealth. स्वस्थ शरीर है तो उसी में स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क भी रहेगा, ऐसा हम लोग का सोचना है, और ऐसा ही होता है. A defective body cannot germinate a good mind. It cannot be developed. So these are the things which you may discuss, and I am happy that the people from the different parts of the globe, they are the participant and a speaker, and I congratulate Dr. Sanjay Singh for organizing such a webinar, international webinar, where he has invited many people who may not be participated if he can do the not webinar seminar. There is a limitation, but now this globe is very small. In your screen, we can see the globe together. And this is the, I think, Indian or Bharatiya mantra, Sarve Bhaganti Sukhinda. विश्व में सभी लोग खुश रहे, और खुश कब रहेंगे? जब शरीर स्वस्थ रहेगा, मन शरीर स्वस्थ रहेगा, तभी ये संभव है. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं एक बार पुनः प्रचार सहित उनके सारी टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. My good wishes for organizing such a nice seminar, and I wish that you people have discussed the things which is very, very important and relevant for the today life or lifestyle, as and life to modify our lifestyle to keep this health fit and fine. With these few words, I once again thank you very much. I wish all the success of this seminar. Thank you very much.
Just sir, you. हाँ सर, लेकिन बस सर now.
Thank you, Anil ji.
Now I am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Sanjay ji, don't.
Okay.
आप
Now I request Dr. B. K. Raj sir, please. Now B. K. Raj sir.
Sir.
Please conclude. Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, you conclude.
Acha, sir. The chief patron of the webinar, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth, Professor T.N. Singh, sir, who is always easily available for marvelous standard in sports. If you see the last session achievement University, MG Kashi Vidyapeeth received more than 100 medals at All India Inter-University level, which is a record for our region. We are fortunate enough to get some moments from his busy schedule. We are too grateful, sir. On behalf of my college, organizing committee, and my personal behalf, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. B. K. Raj sir. Now I invite our chief guest, Professor D.K. Dhuriya sir. Sir, I am inviting you. हाँ पंडित जी बोलिए.
प्लीज आप टेलीफोन ना उठाएं. संजय जी, प्लीज.
सर दिख रहे हैं और सर हाँ बिल्कुल. Now I request our chief guest. Before I inviting him, I would like to say a few words. Professor D.K. Dhuriya sir was faculty when I joined bachelor course in physical education. I completed bachelor and master degree under your guidance. Since that time, I have seen you to always try creative work for enhancement of himself and department. I think first time a national level conference conducted by you in the department and eminent personality of physical education was invited. As a student, it was new experience to me. Since that time, you never look back and day by day create new horizon. And you go up in the field of physical education and sports. You became member of almost all apex body of physical education. Now you are chief of many Indian and as well as world apex body of physical education and sports psychology. It is a matter of proud to me that you are sitting on a chair of Vice Chancellor LNIP Gwalior, India only University of Physical Education, which not only prepare the rules and regulations of physical education, but prepare physical education teacher who serve in top level institute of physical education in India and abroad. Sir, you are a very busy person due to many HRD and UGC assignment going under your supervision. It is your kind affection to accept my invitation. I humbly request to bless us with your kind words. Now I request, sir, please bless us. Professor D.K. Dhuriya, sir, Vice Chancellor, LNIP Gwalior. Sir, you are visible. Sir, you are visible in the screen. Rhea sir, please unmute yourself. You are visible in screen.
Durya sir, can you hear me, sir? Please unmute, sir, yourself. Due to technical issues, we cannot connect to Durya sir. Ladies. Durya sir, can you hear me?
वो सर रूम में है नहीं, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए।
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए हैं। संजय जी,
Sir,
प्लीज आप एक बार उनको रिंग करिए, एक बार रिंग करिए, हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, आप एक बार रिंग करिए।
okay.
आ गए, स्क्रीन पर आ गए हैं सर। दुरिया सर, कैन यू हियर मी सर? ओके,
हम आपको सुन रहे हैं सर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
एकाएक क्या हो गया ये?
अरे सर, ये टेक्नोलॉजी है, इसी के साथ रहना हम लोग क्या करिएगा जी सर, जी।
इसीलिए मैं अपने आप पे यहाँ करता हूँ ना, तो मैं अपना वो जनरेटर चलवा के रखता हूँ।
हाँ, अरे सर, वो क्या करिएगा, हम लोग इसी के साथ कुछ करना है बस सर जी।
ठीक है,
ठीक सर, ओके, स्टार्ट।
नमस्कार। प्रोफेसर टीएन सिंह जी का हो गया था?
जी,
Yeah, sir, he completed.
हो गया था, आप बाद में आ गए।
अच्छा, ठीक है,
कंप्लीट किया सर जी। ओके।
सबसे पहले तो मैं ज्वाइन किया है, पहले हरे राम जी ने जो किया था उस पर ज्वाइन किया था मैंने, और फिर उनके एफर्ट्स को मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे आप सबसे एक बार फिर बातचीत करने का मौका दिया। मैं अपनी धन्यवाद एक्सटेंड करता हूँ डॉक्टर ओपी सिंह जी को, प्रिंसिपल जो हैं, और बाकी सारे साथीगण, डॉक्टर विजय, डॉक्टर संजय और पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टीम। आपका जो टॉपिक है, इट इज चैलेंजेस ऑफ फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग इन द एज ऑफ कोविड-19। लेकिन जिस प्रकार मैं आपके वीसी साहब को टीएन सिंह इसमें कोविड-19 का जो चल रहा है, इसके स्पोर्ट्स की तो सोच भी नहीं सकते, इसलिए हमें उसके बारे में ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है, क्योंकि पूरे वर्ल्ड में कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पोर्ट्स को अभी बंद कर दिया गया है। जो ट्रेनिंग हमारे सेलेक्टेड टॉप स्कीम है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, उसके अंदर जो लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं उनको गवर्नमेंट ने स्पेसिफिकली अलग अलग सेंटर में रखा हुआ है, वो सेलेक्टेड लोग हैं और उनकी वो ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, वो ट्रेनिंग का चल रही है, उनके वो फिटनेस को मेंटेन किया जा रहा है बेसिकली, जिससे कि उनकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो डाउनग्रेड ना जाए। आजकल जो दूसरी बात जिक्र किया प्रोफेसर टीएन सिंह जी ने, वो था कि हमारे को हम लोग पेशेंट होते जा रहे हैं। He has quoted that more than 1 million population of India जिनको मेंटल प्रॉब्लम हो गया है। हालांकि ये डाटा मेरे को मालूम नहीं कहाँ से आया है, लेकिन ये बात जरूर है कि कोविड-19 के अंदर एंजाइटी बहुत बड़ी हुई है, टेंशन बहुत बड़ा हुआ है, और जैसे उन्होंने कहा, बहुत सही बात बोली कि लोगों को परेशानी है कि हमारी रोजी रोटी कल कैसे चलेगी, जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर में काम करते हैं उन लोगों के जॉब्स का क्या होगा। इवन जो फिजिकल एजुकेशन में अभी हम लोगों ने भी प्रधानमंत्री साहब से अप्रोच किया है कि जो हमारे फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर्स जो प्राइवेट स्कूल्स वगैरह में काम कर रहे हैं, उनके स्कूलों ने ये मन बनाया है कि उनका हमारे पास काम नहीं है उनके लिए। हर जगह तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं, ऑनलाइन आपको स्टडी मटेरियल दिए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो कहते हैं फिजिकल एजुकेशन वाले क्या करेंगे। लेकिन जो टॉपिक आप लोगों ने दिया है आज फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग का, ये बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है। और जैसे कि अगर आप मेरी वेबसाइट को खोलेंगे या मेरे ट्विटर अकाउंट पे जाएंगे मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट के, या फेसबुक पे जाएंगे, तो हमने 50 वीडियोस बनाए हैं जो घरों में ही यूज हो सकते हैं। वो मैदानों के वीडियोस नहीं है, चाहे वो जिम्नास्टिक से रिलेटेड हो, अलग अलग गेम से रिलेटेड हो। मेन है फिटनेस को मेंटेन करना, और उसी के ऊपर मैं आज अभी आपके संग बात करता हूँ। और इसलिए हमारी जो एक्टिविटी हो गई बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गई है, और इस रिस्ट्रिक्शन से वजह से हम, हर घर बहुत बड़े बड़े नहीं है, छोटे घर हैं, या डुप्लेक्स में हैं, या हम मल्टी स्टोरीज में रहते हैं, वहां पे जगह कमी है, कहीं हम छत पे नहीं जा सकते हैं, कहीं ग्राउंड में जा सकते हैं, हमारा एक अपना ड्राइंग रूम है या कमरे हैं, उसी का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। तो हमारे को फिजिकल एजुकेशन में सिखाया जाता है एक चीज, वो है इम्प्रोवाइजेशन, कि किस प्रकार से इम्प्रोवाइज करके हम अपने, जो हमने वीडियोस बनाए हैं उसके अंदर आप देखेंगे कि चेयर का कैसे यूज किया है हम लोगों ने, हमने अपने ओन बॉडी वेट से किस प्रकार से एक्सरसाइज की है, हमने किस प्रकार से बेड पे एक्सरसाइज करना सीखा है। योगिक एक्सरसाइज तो हम कर सकते हैं बहुत इजी, लेकिन ब्रिस्क एक्सरसाइज, और खासतौर से हमने यहाँ भी देखा है कि जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर या सेकंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर पे रहते, आप अपने यहाँ का हल्ला बंद कर दीजिए, ये सब प्रॉब्लम हर जगह सोसाइटी में आ रही है। देखिए, अगर हम इम्प्रोवाइजेशन की बात करते हैं तो हमें बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, और उसके लिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, it is hard to overestimate the profound effect of the virus that causes COVID-19. It has on our lives. Home quarantine, travel plans, separation from loved ones, sudden changes in our working environment, all prevent us by doing many of the things we love, including fitness training. Naturally, you are separated from the family if you are quarantined. If you are home quarantined, then also you are confined to one single room, because a lot of precautions have been taken. And travel we govern with the Ministry of Sports. We are not able to open the gyms. We are not even allowing the walkers. We are not even allowing any working swimming pool, everything, nothing is allowed. This is all because of the precautions. My students, but they used to do so many things in their rooms, in their hostel room that is very small, but they are used to do in their hostel premises. However, our situation also brought into sharp focus on the importance of taking care of ourselves and doing all that we can to stay healthy. Part of that is keeping ourselves in shape of continuing our regular training activities. It may also mean using that altered circumstances as an opportunity to improve our physical fitness if we have let and things aside. For which I was talking, we generally use the word improvisation. Physical activity which is being recommended nowadays, I'm keeping it very short, that how much physical activity do adults actually need. Basically what we do, we intake our energy, और अगर हमारी उस एनर्जी को हम खर्च नहीं करेंगे तो हमारे को साइड इफेक्ट्स होंगे, फैट वगैरह होगा, हम हैवी हो जाएंगे, हमारा बॉडी वेट बढ़ना पड़ेगा। और जब ये चीज होता है तो हमको मेंटल टेंशन होने लगता है, जो खास तौर से फिटनेस फ्रिक्स हैं, जो अपने को मेंटेन रखना चाहते हैं। तो इट इज रिकमेंडेड by the International Health Organization and numerous national organizations that at least 150 minutes per week, I am quoting, 150 minutes per week of moderate intensive physical activity. For example, brisk walking, you divide, and you can do that brisk walking because you are doing in your home, you are doing in the society premises, and some of the society, they even some of your neighbors, they claim ki no, this is corona can be spread, so you please don't walk around the society premises, so you are confined to do that. Like this, suppose for example, you can do the walking on the stairs also. If you have stairs, you have your own bungalow, or you are in duplex type of quarters, or in the society also, we are having 10 floor, 5 floors, you can do the stair climbing and everything. That will help you. And those who are able to participate in various 25 minutes per week running, it is recommended that you include specific muscle strengthening exercises twice weekly, as well as balance exercises if you are older than 65 years old. In that, I mean to say that you can have running in between the house, because you have constraints also, your family other members also are there. So it is better to divide the timings and do regularly. You can do static exercises by using the walls. You can use your bed, and on that also you can do some flexibility exercises, and that is recommended, and that can be taken help. And by app, there are so many apps in the market nowadays, there is no doubt about it. But apps which they have made, they are not made as per the required situation as we are confining in the room. The challenges of fitness training in the age of COVID-19 is, in the current pandemic, navigating proper precautions, including social and physical distances while exercising, can be something difficult task to deal with. It is very difficult to keep the social distance among the family members. It is very difficult to keep the social distance among the society. Or if there are small parks beside your society or there where you are, if you are allowed, naturally if you can go, the other one also can come. So you have to maintain the social distancing and physical distancing, so it will be beneficial for you. During lockdown period are maintain an appropriate degree of physical distancing from anyone, but not in your immediate household. Currently recommended is the 6 feet. At least you must have a 6 feet difference. Considering wearing a cloth, face mask. जैसे विजय राय जी ने कहा था, it is very difficult task when you are running, and if you are having a mask, and there are some cases, 2 cases are already there, if they had a synthetic mask, so the person has died. But nowadays the different type of masks are in the market. You can exhale and you can inhale while running, and this must not be a synthetic one. And some are masks which are having holes, so you can have a fresh air also inhaling actually. So that can be taken care of. And avoid group exercise activity. If we do the exercise alone, I know that is monotonous type, and we start boring. What we are doing, we are just walking alone, or doing brisk walking alone, or doing some exercise alone, but we can't help in this era. So, and we must think that we must not share equipments. Whatever equipment we are using, if somebody in your society or in your garden, nearby garden where you are going for the walking or some exercise, you must not share the equipments. Try to have your own equipments or improvise the things. Like, I'll tell you, key priorities, the progress in your fitness training must be how to utilize the available stuff. I've seen my students, because our weight training centers were, fitness center were closed, so they were keeping some weights. And what they have done, like they put water in the 2 buckets, and they used to do the exercises. They have put that band, high rubber band, and they used to do the pulling exercises. They are usko बांध दिया दीवार में कील से, and they are doing that exercises. That can be helpful, and that you also can do that to the exercises. This is an improvised pattern or doing the exercises. Like बहुत से लोग होते हैं वो ईंटों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, push-ups करते हैं, dips करते हैं. Even they are doing push-ups against the wall for static होता है. बैलेंस बढ़ाने के लिए दे जो अब छोटे छोटे आपके जैसे कटोरी है या चम्मचों को डिस्टेंस पर रख के उनके बीच में से जिगजैग रन कर लेना, छोटे हल्के मॉडरेट तरीके से, या जंपिंग कर लेना. दिस इज व्हाट सम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेस व्हिच यू कैन डू. एंड वेदर you are adding a new fitness routine to your life or increasing your current level of fitness, this is a question mark. See, if you keep in mind that you want to increase the current level of fitness. Whatever you are having after 3 months of lockdown, that is one part, because you have to cope up with and you have to reduce also. You must not be overweight, and you must be free, agile and mobile, so you can have a healthy life. But some of them, they think, no, I was at that level of performance level, especially the athletes, and I must enhance my performance. So for that, you have to be very particular, avoiding such type of things. I would like to submit asking too much too soon if where we risk injuries. अगर हम ये सोचते हैं कि हम बहुत जल्दी कोई एक्सरसाइज करके अपने शरीर को डेवलप कर लेंगे, इसे रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट. उससे क्या होगा कि वी रिस्क इंजरीज, हमारे को इंजरी होने का डर रहता है. सो वी अडॉप्टिंग ए लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू ऑफ योर ट्रेनिंग इज द बेस्ट रूट ऑफ सक्सेस. अगर हम प्लान कर लें कि अगर आगे 1 महीने हमारा नहीं खुलना है, खासतौर से हमारा लॉकडाउन, और हमें कन्फाइंड रहना है, हमारे को सड़कों पे जाना अलाउड नहीं है, हमें पार्कों में जाना अलाउड नहीं है, तो वी मस्ट थिंक आवर रूटीन अकॉर्डिंगली, and simple to complex, we must take that exercise accordingly. Frequent, hard or long duration of exercise without adequate recovery will lead to an injury. Sometimes what happens, and it takes time for healing. Sometimes what is happening that if we, like in Gwalior, I saw, when collector announced, no, from 7 o'clock to 7 o'clock, the roads are open, the markets are open, but you cannot go to the fitness center because you have to share the equipment. You cannot go to the park where you have an assembly of the people who are walkers, so they are walking on the roads, they are running on the roads, and especially for the old age people, this running on the road, which they have not done in the before, so they start sin pains. They start sin pains, and they are complaining how to cope up with this thing. And if they think, no, while making this improvisation things, we use water bucket batteries or this bricks, and we do the exercises, or yes, pachatti pe latakna, and whatever type of exercise they do at home. If हम सोचते हैं कि अगर हम ज्यादा कर लेंगे तो एक दिन में हमारी फिटनेस निकल आएगी, हमारी मसल डेवलप हो जाएगी. इट्स अ रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट. आपको पेन डेवलप हो जाएगा, आपको साइड इंजरी हो जाएगी. एंड अगर आपके पास वो नहीं है, अगर आपने अपने को, इसीलिए कहा जाता है ना कि हम लोग जब एक्सरसाइज करते, जब खेलते थे या आप खेलते हैं, तो वी डू कूल डाउन एक्सरसाइज आफ्टर द वर्कआउट, एंड वी डू स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइज बिफोर गोइंग फॉर द वर्कआउट. So same way, if we have to go for the long duration of exercises, we must follow these things. And constant starting and stopping the exercise won't lead to fitness. हम सोचे कि आज हम शुरू करेंगे, लगातार 1 हफ्ते करेंगे, फिर हम 1 हफ्ते का रेस्ट लेंगे, फिर हम 1 हफ्ते करेंगे, and then we take a 1 week rest. This won't help. You have to do a moderate type of exercises, continue your exercises in a mild way, do brisk walking, but it must not lead to frustration, because if you don't get whatever thinking in your mind, then it leads to frustration, and that has to be controlled. No disappointment, perhaps even depression, because some of the people, especially the players, they think that my career is finished, I was supposed to take medal this year, I was performing at that level, I was to come in India team, I was supposed to represent India. That has given some depression, especially to athletes. I don't have any much idea about the general public. They are also thinking, because nowadays, in my idea, general public is thinking about their jobs, about their security, about their small businesses, and for which they are talking about nowadays. But the player and those who are either grassroots level or school children, those who are sitting at home, you can manage. घर में कितना हल्ला होता है जब 2 बच्चे रहते हैं, लेकिन they want to उनकी एनर्जी जब तक खर्च नहीं होगी, they are having surplus energy, so they will create problem. And if we stop them, उनको problem होती है, they cry, they blame, they make so many excuses, they go to their parents especially, and they ask you what is the solution, and parents don't have any solution. So like this, we have to make them, we have to do regular counseling for them and suggest minor exercises. Our aim is for slow, steady, forward progress, and over time, you will achieve the fitness you are seeking. you will have the strength, conditioning, and stamina to set up new goals and continue to push forward. But this pace will matlab simple to complex. In 1 day or 1 week, you cannot achieve the thing. You set the control thing, and you have to cope up, and you have to, you can say, rather say, support the present situation, and you have to cope up, and you have to make changes in your lifestyle, so you can cope up with this type of exercise. You have to take care of your own body, especially whether you are getting back into an exercise program or exercising more frequently, more instantly than usual one. Just maintaining your constant current level of performance or current level of fitness. It is also wise to adopt extra measures to keep yourself from getting injury during these days, because suppose you are a regular fitness freak, regular doing exercises, and if it is stopped for 1 or last 2 months, and again if you start, don't think you are at that level of fitness. You have to start from the beginning. You have to cope up. You have to come at that level first. Then you can go for the extra load. Otherwise, you will have some injury, and it is very difficult for healing. Minimizing your risk injuries, fitness training, you have to work not only for strength training or for the endurance training, you have to work for your flexibility. You have to work for your mobility. This flexibility, mobility, one thing, as other expert that even Vice Chancellor Sahab TN Singh ji said, we can go for the yogic exercises. But beside yogic exercises, as I said, we can improvise the thing in our. We can do static exercises, elastic exercises. We have free hand movement exercises in our home itself, and we can have a straight climbing, and if we get a chance, go, and we can go for a walking, brisk walking in the small area, or you have to have a small garden, then you have to find out the distance and how much distance your step will cover and how much load you can give, how many rounds you're taking. You have to take 100 rounds of that small area or 50 rounds. It depends upon your fitness. So, and after that, before, you have to do a flexible exercise, mobility exercise. I also suggest some of the strengthening exercise you do. If you have small weights with you, you can take help of that. If you don't have, you can improvise, like I said in the beginning, that you can use buckets or the bricks or the pulleys, or even I've seen that by own body weight, or even if they are having small children, I have some of my colleagues, they are using their small children, they are just lifting and they are doing basic exercise, just basic exercises, and they are healthy, and control your diet. Don't hog, don't make everything. I know every day we sit in the family and we try to get a new dish, and we try to overeat it because we are not getting junk food from the market. We are not doing, but we are trying to make in our home. You have to control. You have to have a simple food, because if you are once fatty or you are obese, then it is very difficult to reduce, and this also create anxiety and tension in your mind, which is another problem mentally. And as you said, sound mind in a sound body in a sound environment. Of course, if you want to keep your sound body, you must be mentally fit. Positive thinking must be with you, and positive way, and in an improvising way, you do the exercises, and then you can have a, naturally you get a sound environment. Of course, at present you are not getting that environment, but in a family, don't get annoyed with your wife or your sister or your father or mother, whatever help they are giving. Don't get excited, don't discuss with them, don't shout at them. Just try to control yourself, especially, and if any children, any kid is doing this thing, make him understand. प्यार से उससे बात करिए, उसको समझाइए, तो वो समझ जाएगा और वो भी आपको सपोर्ट करेगा और आपके संग एक्सरसाइज करेगा, उसको भी अच्छा लगेगा. आजकल देखिए छोटे छोटे वीडियो चल रहे हैं जिसमें फैमिली एक्सरसाइज करती है. अभी हमने इंटरनेशनल योगा डे बनाया. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि योग एट होम, योग विद फैमिली, एंड सबने किया, अपने अपने वीडियो किया. इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. सारी फैमिली को, जो आयुष मिनिस्ट्री ने जो प्रोटोकॉल दिया था योगा का, उसके ऊपर कर रहे थे. तो दिस टाइप वी कैन यूज दैट, एंड योगा एक्सरसाइज ऐसा करके हम कर सकते हैं. तो मैं ये करूंगा. एक चीज और ध्यान रखिएगा कि प्लीज लिसन टू योर बॉडी. प्लीज लिसन टू योर बॉडी. योर बॉडी ऑलवेज रिफ्लेक्ट्स एंड टॉक. while doing this type of exercises, whether at home, in stair or ground, or doing improvised training, weight training, whatever it is, if you feel thirsty, it means you have less loss of water. So you must drink water. If you think you are feeling tired, especially the old people have a tendency to walk. If they don't walk, they don't get fresh in the morning. They don't get nice sleep. So if we give them exercises, stair type or everything, they are overexerted. So we have to listen to our body also. We must talk with our body. So if we listen to our body, we can control our body. We can give support to our body, and we will not suffer. We will not get injured. And like this way, we can keep ourselves healthy, our family healthy. And if our friends are getting suggestions, because we can talk, we generally don't meet nowadays, we talk on phone, so we can help each other, we can do counseling for each other, and we can share one another feelings and supporting them. I once again thank you everyone for having a patience hearing from me, and special thanks once again to Professor T.N. Singh, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Mahatma Kashi Vidyapeeth. He was, of course, we were colleagues. We are working for BHU. I am sitting in Gwalior. He is sitting in Kashi Vidyapeeth. Dr. O.P. Singh ji, principal. And of course, I am very lucky you both are my students and they are sitting on such a good post. And I feel honored and proud if Vijay is head of department, Sanjay is organizing secretary, and they organize such a nice congress. So I do namaste to everyone at last, and I especially to my colleagues here, Professor Gildial. We worked together for 30 years, and I can see Beena here from USA. We know each other, and she is a tennis expert. So everybody is there. So once again, I'm thankful to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Now I request Dr. B.R. sir, please extend your thanks to Duriya sir.
Thank you, Sanjay. Sir, we are fortunate to have our chief guest, Professor Dilip Kumar Dureha, sir, Vice Chancellor in the LNIP Gwalior. We are so lucky to get this status in the college as well as in the society because of only you, sir. Whatever you are having the capacity to spoke before you, that there is given only by you, sir. Sir, you spared so valuable moments for us and given so many valuable informations to our sports person, to our everybody in the field of health and fitness. That is really will be beneficial for our society and our sports person. Sir, we are too grateful to you, sir, and on behalf of our college and organizing committee and my personal behalf, I express my hearty thanks to you. Thank you very much, sir. Pram.
Now I invite today's guest of honor. Before inviting her, I would like to say a few words. Professor Susma Gandyal, ma'am, is most senior professor in Department of Physical Education, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Ma'am is most disciplined and sincere lady because her military background. Her father is army officer. Her discipline and sincerity visualized in her work and thinking. Ma'am, you have been outstanding academician, effective administrator, and well-planned manager. You have micro observation of work and long vision. This is the region. Today, a number of students working as professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in higher education. It was your vision that 2 rooms physical education department became multi-story separate department in BHU, and in place of 4 faculty members, more than 14 faculty members working in the department. It could happen under your guidelines and vision. Ma'am, you headed many high-level committee of HRD, UGC, NCTE, and NAAC. Your sincerity and intelligence make you different. It is matter of proud to me that I have been your student. Now I humble request Professor Susma Gandyal ma'am to bless us with words. Ma'am, Now I request, ma'am, you just unmute your screen. Sushma ma'am, am I audible to you? Sushma ma'am, before few seconds, we are on the screen. Sushma ma'am, can you hear me? Sushma ma'am? Yeah.
Yeah, my connection had been lost. I am back again.
Okay, no problem. You most welcome.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody, and namaskar to everyone. Vice Chancellor Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth, Professor T.N. Singh. Vice Chancellor LNIT Gwalior, Professor D.K. Duraiya, the chief of this webinar. Principal College, Dr. Gopi Singh. Eminent speakers, organizing committee members.
Ma'am, please you unmute. Please, your sound is not audible. Please you unmute on the screen.
Is it okay now?
Yeah. Now you are audible.
Should I start again now? Okay?
Okay, no problem, ma'am.
Okay, then once again, good afternoon and namaskar to everyone. Vice Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth University, Professor T.N. Vice Chancellor LNIP Gwalior, Professor D.K. Duraiya, Principal Harishchandra College, Dr. Eminent speakers, organizing committee members, and all the participants. I feel really honored to be with you all for this international webinar on health and fitness challenges during lockdown. At the very outset, I must say that I am deeply touched. I don't know not.
Maybe you continue. Perhaps you have some
Topic. I think Professor T.N. Singh, the Vice Chancellor, and Professor Duraiya has already explained very deeply regarding what are the different aspects which one should keep in mind and how a fitness routine should be kept in mind or regulated during this pandemic.
Ma'am, you unmute on your screen.
Goes off.
Okay.
My connection, sometimes there is a problem in my internet connection.
No
Okay?
problem. To continue, you are audible and visible.
Okay. So we all understand the amount of challenges the whole world is facing during this pandemic. But I think it is up to us how we face this in a balanced manner. And to stay healthy during this lockdown, the top priority should be along with physical mental well-being, which Professor T.N. Singh also said about it. There is a lot of uncertainty in life at the moment due to pandemic. So taking care of our mental health has become more important along with the physical health. For some people, I think it is very difficult to talk about the mental issues. Sometimes they don't know how to express their feelings and they don't know how to deal with it. But I think we need to know about the mindfulness exercises in the present scenario. Mindfulness is basically to being fully present being aware of where you are, what you are doing. And I think yogic practices and the breathing exercises, they can really calm us down. They can help us to prevent these mental illness problems. And this lockdown period, we may be away from our family and friends. But I think with the smartphones, internet accesses, webcam, there are so many lot of ways of communication. And these have made it easier to stay in touch with each other. If we can't be with our family or be with friends, at least we can call them, we can send them messages, or we can also arrange a Zoom type of meetings with our friends or family members, like we used to do. We never did in previous years, but during this lockdown period, personally, I would organize so many Zoom meetings with my family members who are abroad also. And it was real fun to see them lively on the Zoom meetings. Basically, one needs to keep yourself busy. You have to have certain hobbies so that which you can explore. Certain things which you are not able to do when you were so exhaustive or so busy in your daily routine with your office or other household work. But now you can explore those hobbies. This is the time to explore, just to make yourself busy and divert your mind. Naturally, you have to keep yourself physically active because most of the time you are at home. So a couch or a bed may be very tempting. Just lying down and TV the whole day. Yes, you do need sleep and lying down, but you have to keep yourself active. The other chief guest and the vice chancellor has already explained how to keep yourself active. There are so many ways, so many activities. Even inside the house, you can keep yourself active. There are so many indoor games also, and the forgotten games which we used to play during our childhood, that we can inculcate in our children and the people who are around us. Basically, we have to get moving all the time. And then for that, you need a routine. Unless you make a routine, someday you will do the thing and the others say, oh no, I'm tired, I'm feeling a little lazy. No, you have to make a routine. And then you have to even make SMART challenges. SMART, I mean S-M-A-R-T. The S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T for timely. So one has to take the challenges which are smart enough, which you can achieve during that particular time frame. And naturally, when you are at home, you must be feeling you are accessible to the kitchen. Try new recipes, no problem in that. But it has to be with a balanced diet so that you don't get obese. You are balanced. The amount of food you take and the calorie you burn, there has to have a balance. You have to make a healthy habit. Unless you make health as a habit, you are not going to keep yourself fit for a longer duration. Like Professor Duraiya said, you should know about your body. You should listen to your body. I should say, be a scientist to your own body, right? You should know how your body is adapting to that particular activity. You must keep an eye on your body weight, your brain functions, and the energy levels. And lastly, I must say, yes, it is challenging to keep yourself updated, to keep yourself fit. But if you are mentally alert, if you have a routine, there is nothing in this world which you can't achieve. So better stay safe, stay healthy. That is my advice to everyone. And keep smiling all the time, because your smile can keep others also, it can make others motivated to stay fit. Finally, I must thank the organizers, all the participants for their patient hearing. Thanks a lot and namaskar. All the best for your this international webinar, which you have conducted, I think, for the first time, and very well coordinated. Congratulations to each one of you. Thank you so much for making me part of this international webinar. Namaskar.
Now I request Dr. Vijay Kumar Rai sir to extend thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. Vijay Rai sir. Sir, you unmute your screen. Vijay Rai sir?
Sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Sorry. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Our guest of honor is Professor Sushma Ghildial ma'am, Senior Professor in Department of Physical Education, BHU. During our education time, she filled us with the immense knowledge which made us capable to exist in the society. Ma'am has been always smiling and caring for us. She spared her valuable time today for this webinar. She explained the yogic exercises are beneficial when we are confined in our homes for the mental balance. And another thing is for the enjoyment purpose, Zoom meeting with family members, with relatives, friends is makes us engage, and it's the way of entertainment, and for the passing the time is also it's a very good. She spoken about the smart procedures to do our each and every activity when we are confined in our home. So how we have to manage ourselves to daily day by day routine in the life and make ourselves balance. Ma'am, you are with us in this webinar. We express our gratitude to you. On behalf of myself, Harishchandra PG College and organizing committee, ma'am, thank you very much. Pranam.
Thank you, sir. Now I request respected principal, today's chairperson, Dr. Om Prakash Singh, his energetic and visionary principal of Harishchandra PG College. Sir, in your guidelines, PG College going up and up day by day. It is your vision. We are conducting this webinar, and sir, you are always supporting and encouraging. Sir, it is my luck to work with you. Sir, I respectfully invite you to bless us with your kind words. Principal, sir. Yeah, sir, you are audible.
I am very fortunate to be participant of this very useful webinar on health and fitness challenges during epidemic. Learned experts share their views on physical and mental fitness. I think their valuable advice will be beneficial to everyone. On this occasion, I am grateful to all distinguished guests. I congratulate Convener Dr. Sanjay Kumar Singh and Head Department of Physical Education Dr. Vijay Kumar Rai for this very useful webinar, and I also congratulate to Dr. Anil Pratap Singh and his team, technical team, for organizing this very good webinar. Thank you.
Dr. Bira, sir, please extend your thanks to our respected principal, sir. Sir, Vikara, sir, now you unmute your screen.
Thank you, sir. The patron of this program, our honorable and dashing principal, Professor Om Prakash Singh ji, your constructive effort causes the endless chain of webinars in the college. For your kind support in each and every angle of our profession is highly appreciable. Sir, thank you very much. We express our gratitude to you, and you are with us. We are very thankful. You are very thankful, sir. On behalf of myself and my organizing committee, sir, thank you very much. Pranam, sir.
Before end the first session, I would like to request our head, Dr. Bijaya sir, to extend thanks to each and every person who has been associated with this opening ceremony. Dr. Bijaya
Thank
sir.
you, Dr. Sanjay. This was the opening session of international webinar today organized in the Harishchandra PG College. The chief guest of the webinar were Dr. Dilip Kumar Dureha sir, Vice Chancellor LNIP Gwalior, the chief patron of the webinar, Professor T.N. Singh ji, Vice Chancellor Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth Varanasi, guest of honor, Professor Sushma Ghildial ma'am, is Senior Professor in Department of Physical Education, BHU Varanasi, our patron, our principal, Professor Om Prakash Singh ji, our technical supports, participants, our colleagues, whoever going to support this seminar directly or indirectly, on my personal behalf and organizing committee, I thank you all. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Vikara sir. Without delay, now I want to start my second session, that is a technical session. And for this session, I invite my first eminent speaker, Professor Archana Chahal. Before inviting her, I would like to say a few words. Professor Archana Chahal, head in the Department of Physical Education, Central University of Allahabad, Prayagraj. She is well-known lifestyle and motivation expert in the field of physical education and sports. She has completed graduate to doctorate from Banaras Hindu University. She has also secured 2 distinct awards in 2 years, a regular coaching diploma in basketball and sports science from NSNIS Patiala. Apart from academic excellence, she has also been honored with University Best Athlete Award. She, as a keynote speaker, has chaired various sessions in national and international conferences, seminars, workshops, with sports conferences held at Manchester Metropolitan University, UK. She published many research papers in distinguished research journals. She is actively participating in physical sports activity, and age is just not a number. Secured 2nd place in national level cross country in the age of 45 to just motivate the masses and sports awareness. Madam Archana Chahal, I humbly invite you to deliver your today's lecture. Madam Archana Chahal.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you so much. I am audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible and visible. You start your.
माँ सरस्वती को नमन करते हुए सर्व विद्या की राजधानी वाराणसी से इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय त्रिवेणी संगम का भी मनन करते हुए मैं आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया. So I am I feel very much proud in front of my teachers. I am not able to express myself, my emotions also, and I have not much knowledge about all these things, but I have tried my best. For this, firstly, I thank you, our Chief Patron, Professor T.N. Singh sir, Vice Chancellor, our Principal sir, O.P. Singh sir, our committee, organizing committee, especially Sanjay sir, Bhaiya, it's my test to you, and Vijay Bhaiya, being a great organizer of this international webinar, I have tried to sum my words to you. I want to share my screen. Please permit me.
Oh, yes, sure, you can. You are a co-host, you can share your screen.
Yes.
कर रही थी, इस पे आया था कोड. हो गया. अब फर्स्ट सेशन खत्म, सेकंड सेशन.
It is visible?
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
It is visible?
Yeah, ma'am. Visible.
Thank you.
Continue, ma'am.
I have not taken too much time, all these introductory things. And but in this scenario of our respected Vice Chancellor sir, Professor D.K. Dureya sir, and Professor T.N. Singh, and of course my respected ma'am, Sushma ma'am, already explore the entire chapters, even talks of this webinar in a very concise way. But with their blessings, I want to say, if we know
what are the benefits, how it is worked. But there is one inertia between us. So I choose that topic to share my views on this. It is my personal experience on which I want to continue thinking and doing also. So how to overcome lifestyle inertia, a troubled quest. Why? Because who does not know the benefits of healthy lifestyle and the dimensions and the various dimensions of healthy lifestyle, like physical activity, then energetic exercises effect or benefits. Everyone know the nutritional diet, then why we are not taken in such a way or in such a intensity or such a quantity also. Then cope up stress and medical care with the effect of different physical and of course the mental exercises. And even it is also helpful for enhanced mental capabilities. Then